This recording will describe how to add establishment information for the CMC technical section P submission of an investigational new animal drug file or a generic investigational new animal drug file. For these submissions, all establishment information is provided. In this example, INAD submissions, generic investigational new animal drug file was selected, followed by major technical section, chemistry, manufacturing, and controls. On the product description tab, you will add information from the product book. For additional information on how to use the product book, click on the hint. Note that at a minimum, the drug product established name for the file must be entered into the product book in order to add establishment information from the ADMS book. If this information is not entered, you will get a warning notice when you try to add supply chain information. Select the book with red arrow to copy from product book. Select the applicable drug product to bring information into the product description screen of the submission. If you need to make changes to your product description information, you can edit the screen. For example, you could add the reference listed new animal drug document number and copy to product book by selecting the book icon with green arrow. This will make changes to your product book. Establishment information for a submission is no longer added in the individual CTD sections of the chemistry, manufacturing, and controls section. Instead, you will note that the sections for drug substance manufacturer, drug product manufacturer, excipient manufacturer, and alternate facility now refer you to the ADMS Establishment Information tab. Go to the ADMS Establishment Information tab to select Establishment and Supply Chain Information for all establishments relevant to the submission. For additional help on which establishments to include, click on the hint button. Select the green plus sign to open the supply chain information from the ADMS book. Any establishment information that was already added via the ADMS supply chain menu for the file is automatically pre-populated. You may select individual or all establishments to add to your submission. While in the ADMS book, you may also add new, edit, or delete establishments. You may refer to the supply chain webinar for additional information. In this example, we will add all establishments to the submission. You may delete individual or all supply chain information in this screen. You may also select the refresh button to refresh the contents of the list. This can be useful when making changes within the ADMS book and reflecting the updates to items included in the list. Finally, you may view the supply chain report. This concludes the webinar for adding information to a new submission.